So like the slate tiles I'm putting in the master bathroom shower floor of my personal house, these are not of a uniform height. Most of them are 3/8 of an inch. This one's 2/8, so in order to bring it up to the height of the other ones, I glued on these washers here. And before I put the tile down, I'm going to scuff it up a little bit for better adhesion and bonding. That should be good enough. So I've got this grout line widened to 1/4 of an inch, or about 3 inches here. Let's do the rest here. And alright, now I got these two grout lines widened to 1/4 of an inch to match the other ones. Cool. So I finished tiling this master bedroom several weeks ago, and today I'm going to put down the grout. For these smaller pieces of baseboard, I'm going to use silicone to glue them to the little corner there. If you use a nail, you're going to split it pretty likely, so let's get some silicone on this guy. Let's see that here. Oops. This guy. And then there's some little gaps here and over here. I'm going to fill that with Bondo and paint it.